what are you doing?
Trying to decide what soda I want to drink.
Oh, well.
I'm stuck between root beer and mist twist.
Oh, well, it looks like the ones that you have chosen have a lot of sugar in it.
Yeah. A lot.
Yeah, how much is in that one?
39.
That's a lot. And then let's look at.
43.
Yeah, that's a lot. Why don't you choose something like this one?
Because I like sugary stuff, and this has no sugar.
Yeah, but as your Nana, not good. You know what? How about I show you something? I have an experiment for you. Hi everyone,
It's Akyah.
and her Nana, two cool science chicks. Okay, Akyah, what are we doing today?
We are doing the soda sink. We're seeing what sodas will sink and which sodas will float.
Okay, so you know what? How about you place them in the categories according to which ones you think will float and which ones you think will sink. I want to see if you're correct when we do this. Okay? All right, so you think that's gonna float? Okay. LaCroix? No, that's not right. How do you pronounce that? LaCroix. Yes, that's how you pronounce it. Okay, go ahead. Okay. All right. Okay. And let's see, what else? Pepsi, Diet Pepsi. So what about this? So where are you going to put that one? Over there? Okay. All right. Well, let's see. Okay, so how about we go ahead and you place those in. Start with Diet Dr. Pepper. Let's see. You're thinking that one will float. And turn it to the side a little bit to get the air bubble out. Okay. Wow, that one is floating. Okay, try this one. Try that one. Let's see. So the Dr. Pepper floats.
Oh!
Oh, that root beer is not floating. Okay.
There.
Oh, gee, I wonder why. Let's try another. Try another. Try the Diet Pepsi. Well, I didn't say throw it in. Okay. All right, let's see. And this time, Akyah, okay, try the crush, but don't throw it in on its side. Okay. That one is not floating. I'm wondering. Okay, let's stop for a minute. Let's stop. Let's think about this. Don't answer yet. But we have the Diet Pepsi and the Diet Dr. Pepper. Those are floating. I wonder why. Okay, try the mist. Okay, well, remember you're supposed to put it, when you put it in, you turn it to the side. Okay, all right, do it again. Okay, well, that one is, it's not floating. Okay, LaCroix, let's try that one.
You're gonna put in the side.
Okay. Wow, it's floating.
So this one floats, that one floats. I think I said these three floats, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And I said this one floats too and those two sink.
Okay.
So I got those two right and that one wrong and those two right.
So Akyah, do you have any idea why? I mean, think about it. The diet sodas are floating, and then this one is the sparkling water.
Sugar.
So you're looking at the ingredients,
This is
nutrition facts.
Okay.
So why are you looking at that?
3. I'm looking at sugar.
You're looking at the sugar? Okay.
Okay.
So, but what are you thinking? You're looking at the sugar, so what are you thinking?
I'm thinking the ones that don't have sugar float and the ones that do have sugar don't.
Akyah, you're on the right track because the ones that have sugar in it tend to sink. You know why? This is a lesson in density because the ones that have sugar in it are more dense than the ones that do not have sugar in it. This one right here has about, how many grams of sugar in it?
43.
43 grams of sugar in it. So in this little packet right here, this little packet is about 4 grams. So if this is about 4 grams, how much sugar do you think is in here? About. You can take a guess. How much sugar? If this is
10 packets.
about 10 packets. Nice job.
3 left over.
Oh, well, not 3 packets left over, but
Yeah.
okay.
3 pieces of sugar left over.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Was this a fun experiment?
Yep.
Okay, well, we hope you had as much fun as we did. And if you did, and you would like to see more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Two Cool Science Chicks. You can email us at twocoolsciencechicks@gmail.com. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Until then, kids.
Stay cool, reach for the stars, always believe in yourself, and never stop questioning.
All right, Akyah, so looks like you're shaking that. Why are you shaking that?
I'm shaking it to see if it will flow after you shake it.
Oh, so that one did not float though. That's the root beer. Okay, well let's see. So you're shaking it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Go ahead, try that.